Hi, I'm Jamie.
I'm Tracy.
This is Ruby.
And this is Raylee.
And welcome back to our new channel called Let's Remake It.
Cool. Go. If you didn't know already, this channel is all about how to make amazing things out of everyday waste materials.
Absolutely. What are we going to be making today, Tracy?
Well, we've just filmed our first Christmas DIY on Ruby and Raylee channel. Please go and check it out. They do some really cool Christmas DIYs. So obviously this year I want to try and see what we can make from waste materials. And we've had quite a lot of chocolate wrappers.
Quality Streets, Roses,
yeah.
Lindor.
And Ruby also likes cereal bars, so we've had quite a few cereal bar wrappers as well. And I know that chocolate wrappers and cereal bar wrappers are really hard to recycle.
Absolutely. Let's take a look at just how bad they are. Wow, that is a lot of film foil waste packaging.
Yeah, it really is.
Okay, Tracy, so what waste packaging material will we be using today?
Today we're going to be using Cadbury's brunch bars. This is what Ruby takes to school, not every day, about 2 or 3 times a week.
Excellent, and a brunch bar, the Cadbury's brunch bar is made of the same film foil wrap that we've just looked at. So what are we going to be making from this Cadbury's brunch bar film foil wrap?
Today we're going to be making a really beautiful Christmas decoration.
Yes. Okay, let's
remake it.
So that's the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed it. We've got loads of Christmas ideas and hacks coming really soon.
Also, look out the end of the week because we're really hoping to get an extra video out this week because we have so many ideas and we've got a really good
really good
remake that we want to share, and I don't think we can wait until Monday.
No, it's amazing. We're desperate to get more videos out. These videos take such a long time to film. They really are significant projects. But we're getting the hang of it now, and we're rocking and rolling with it. So look out for our next video, which we do hope to be up on Friday.
Yep, Friday at 5.
Friday at 5.
And please, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel because it means so much to us. We're on about 3,500 subscribers now.
3.2.
Be amazing to hit 3.5. Thank you so much. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss our next video, which might be Friday. Finally, one thing before we go, we'd like to shout out KD Rees, who was our first ever comment on our new channel, Let's Remake It. Thanks, KD Rees.
Thank you so much. And if you want a chance for a shout out in next week's video or Friday's video, all you have to do is hashtag remakers in the comments down below and we'll be giving a shout out every week. Thanks for watching.
See you soon.
Bye.
It's Christmas! Let's
Remake it.